Lift the arm off the windshield so the arm stays in the upright position. If you have not removed your wiper blade, please see wiper removal video first. The connector you will be using has been pre-installed, but you will need to remove the cover and replace with a new cover. Locate the side lock connector cover from the package. The inside cover will be marked with a C2. To remove the current connector cover, pull both sides apart and raise the cover by pushing down on the inside tab. Light force may be necessary to push the tab down. Once the connector lid is open, squeeze the base of the connector to release the cover and pull away. To install the new connector cover, squeeze the back of the base of the connector to allow for the pins on the cover to insert into the pinholes in the base. Align the wiper blade and connector in front of the wiper arm. Push the blade and the connector onto the arm and slide up until the arm stops on the small notches on the sides of the connector. Close the cover. You will hear a snap. Test to ensure the blade is secure. Place the arm gently back on the windshield. It's always a good idea to run a few test wipe cycles on your vehicle after installing new blades to ensure they are working properly.